Block Explorer is a place where people would go and search for the transactions and contracts and understand what am I going to interact with before they even start it, right? Like the savvy users, what they do is if they know which contract address they're going to interact with, they put it on the Explorer and see what is the code. If I'm going to do something, what will be the result? What is it going to do? I hope it doesn't do something bad with my wallet, right? That's what you want to see. And if you click on this hash, it will tell you like what happened, who did the transaction, the from address is basically the address here. You can see 4966, that's the same. And 2, it says the contract was created, and this is the address of the contract. You can click to see more, the transaction fees and all of that, right? So that's how you deploy a contract on Celo testnet.